next question. Can it be considered tzedakah to study with another person that's not able to buy the books nor attend to the classes, to share our very limited knowledge, included in the books? Thank you very much, Rabbi.
First of all, tzedakah. So the definition of tzedakah is not only with money. So the definition of tzedakah is actually like to distribute justice, like loving kindness. So this act is loving kindness. It's 100% tzedakah to other person. So okay, you can study with that person, dedicate your life, right, 1 hour, 2 hours of your life, or giving $10. So okay, $10. I mean, maybe he or she is going to buy the food, maybe not. Maybe they're going to save it for a rainy day. But this for sure, it's going to help that person. And second thing I want to comment, because it's very, very important for all of us to know, that even though the person said limited knowledge of that person, but we have an obligation from our sages. So so it was this great rabbi. So in how he was great. So he was actually would plant flags, right? So he said, okay, I'm going to stop studying and I'm going to plant flags. Okay, rabbi plant flags, right? And then after it grew, he created the nets. Right, and with the nets, no, he started with fishing, right? So he went to fishing, he got fish, sold the fish, started planting flags. After the flags, he made the nets, right? With the nets, he caught a deer, so he sold the meat, and from the hides of the deer, from the skin, he started like catching the deers, right? Trap the deers and making Torah scrolls. And then he went these Torah scrolls and give it to a village nearby, and he give like each five books, right? Five scrolls to each person, and he taught them like every person, every little boy. He taught this book with all of the explanation they knew by heart. Another guy, he taught Mishnah, like there is 6 section of the Mishnah, so he told them this Mishnah. Other and then he said, you know what, I'm leaving. Say, Rabbi, where are you going? He said, no, now you teach each other, right? And that's how he disseminated the Torah, and he would continue cycle over and over again. So meaning what, that this little boy, right, I don't know, 6-7 years old, he knew only one part of the Torah. That's all he knew. Right, so he was obligated to teach others. Did he know all other parts? Absolutely not. Did he know Mishnah or what to do in this case? No. Right, and it's actually for us, it's like people think, no, if I'm not great rabbi, not great scholar, I cannot teach. Absolutely not. It's not true. So it's actually this story in the Talmud was given us for all of the generations. So if you know a little, you know this, so you must teach this. Don't drive any like other conclusion. Like if you don't know, leave it for, just say I do not know. But this you know, this you can teach. You have a book, and today book, for example, they clear instructions, clear commentary. So say clear commentary. Somebody asks you a question, so and then you don't know, say I don't know. Ask somebody else this question. But absolutely, you can teach others, and whatever you learn, that's absolutely perfect, and it's a 100% tzedakah. Right? Not all of the tzedakah is money. Money is easy tzedakah. People think that they can buy eternity just to give it tzedakah and free them from any responsibility. It's not true. Right? We have to do actions. So it's a very good question. So I would encourage everybody to, if you can learn with somebody, because person cannot concentrate, they don't have books, they are very this and that doesn't matter. So you can learn with them some things that we learn in our class, so you can buy the same books and go over, or whatever, some parts of the week. So and you would be like, even like for you, like because you learn it 3 times or 4 times, it's so easy for you. Does not mean for everybody it's so easy. It does not mean that everybody's so clear. So you would be amazed. That's all of us should do. Sure. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Very much. My friend says, it was an absolutely beautiful explanation.
Okay, you're welcome.